Put
This
all this.
conference will now be recorded.
Okay, let me take you to the CRM. Okay, so then I will let you know that. One second, let me share my screen.
Okay.
Yeah, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
So basically, Salesforce has come out. Initially, they have started their business as they want to be uh, mm, a good market leader in customer relationship management. Okay, as a CRM, and that's how they came into the market. They want to come out with a software where uh, the customer contact details, customers' informations. Okay, they can store all these details and they can track their customers' activities. So that's how they have come out. So before that, let me give you an example. Okay, in olden days, last 10 years, 15 years, 20 years back. Okay, mm, do you know marketing? Do you know the sales, medical sales representative? Earlier, what they used to do, the medical representatives used to carry a bag with them.
Yeah.
They used to meet different doctors in the city, and they used to carry the samples of medicines with their bag, and they used to wait outside the doctor cabin. And what they used to do, they used to meet the doctors, and they used to tell about the samples, so medicine sample, medicines, and the formula of the medicine, how it is used, and they also used to give some samples to them. So like that, they used to meet at least 15 to 20 doctors in a day, and they used to have their complete information which they used to maintain in a notebook or in a, because at that time there was no mobiles, there was no software to maintain all these things. So they used to have a track of all the doctor details, the medicine details, contact details of the doctors, everything in a notebook. Okay, and if the doctor likes the medicine, and if the doctor feels that the medicine is good, what he used to do, he used to place a bulk order. So if he wants to have a bulk order, then what again, the medical representative used to come to the doctor, he has to meet, he used to take a order again, that's in a manual way. And this again, medical representative used to go to his company and he used to place an order, and that order used to come to the doctor. So there's a lot of manual intervention process was there. So they used to carry a big bag with them, okay, and they used to have samples. But have you ever seen a medical representative currently, presently, in the last 2 3 years in any hospitals? I don't know about US, okay, but in Hyderabad, okay, have you seen any medical representative now carrying a huge bag with them, okay, with the medical samples and meeting the doctors? What do they carry now? How many people have seen medical representatives? I'm
Yeah.
just any medical, any sales representative, any sales representative. Okay, even a medical representative example. Do you know what do they carry with them when they go and meet the doctors or when they go and meet the hospitals? Is to carry a tab with them, a device, a smart device that is nothing but a tab. Okay, so these people now they maintain, they have a tab with them, you know, and
Okay.
they have an application called CRM application. I'm not saying the CRM in the sense only Salesforce. There are other applications of CRM applications in the market, like when it compares to when it comes to an health industry or medical industry. Okay, like we have another CRM called Viva CRM. Then we also have Pega CRM. Okay, which is similar to the same CRM what Salesforce has. They used to have these CRM applications installed in their tab, and they used to maintain the complete information online. because the CRM is a cloud-based application which consists of all the details like the customer's information, customer contact details, what are the accounts they used to have, accounts in the sense like they used to have accounts can be in a doctors or accounts can be in a hospitals. The account details, who is the point of contact for each and account, okay, how many orders have been placed, okay, all the complete information they used to maintain in the CRM application. And nowadays they don't carry the medicines or the medicine samples with them. They just carry the photographs of the medicine, the formula of the medicine in the tab itself. If they want to show it to the doctor, the medicine, they just open the tab and they show the medicine to them. Because earlier what they used to do is, for example, everything they used to go to maintain in a records in a notebook or in a normal file system where all the details used to maintain it. But now the CRM has come out, so everything is online. Okay, they want to if they want to know if they got any order, they'll get an email, or if they want to contact a particular doctor, they can just go to the contacts and they can open, they can see they can get the contact number of that particular customer and they can call. So that's how the complete. That's what the C. What does the CRM does it? It actively tracks and manages the customer's information, connects your entire team from any device. You can connect your team to any device, okay? And it intelligently captures the customer's emails. You'll also have the customer email data and simplifies the repetitive tasks so you can concentrate on leads. So just leads, the sense is a lead is a concept like which is going to be converted as a deal for you. Deal in the sense a proper order for you. So that's how the CRM does it. Okay. So there are four different types of clouds which CRM has Salesforce CRM has come out. One is called as a marketing cloud, one is called as a sales cloud, one is called as service cloud and analytics cloud. So you all three guys are pharmacy guys, correct? Correct me if I'm wrong. All three of you are
Yeah, yes.
yeah. So all three of are very intelligent girls. What you did is you have come out. You are planning to come out with a startup company for you in the medical history in the medical industry itself. And you three people have come out with a medicine. Okay, uh, mm, a medicine for a particular disease or for a particular for a particular disease. Okay, and that medicine you have tested a lot, you tested multiple times and it has given it has given a good results, and you took the regulatory permissions from the government and you want to release that particular medicine into the market. Now if you want to release that particular medicine into the market and you are a startup company, okay, so what do? For example, let's say you have invented or discovered a medicine on a particular disease, for a particular disease like a blood cancer or a throat cancer or some cancer. Okay, and so what do? So there are lot many people. What do you call the people who are suffering with the cancer? Okay, in the world, and also the doctors are also looking for the doctors and hospitals are also looking for the medicines to for medicines to get cured of the on the cancer part. So what you do generally? I'll flip the example. Okay, you can compare with your medical subject as well. Okay, you all three guys. Okay, assume that you are not in a pharmacy department. You are not in the pharmacy field. Okay, you are all guys are a good businessman. So what you want to do is you want to come out and launch a mobile phone in the market, a smart mobile phone in the market. So there are already a very tight competition which is running in the market with various mobile phones, mobile companies like iPhone, Samsung, then Motorola, then Viva. Okay, there are multiple brands of mobiles, right? Earlier there was only Nokia, okay, and Samsung. Okay, by being such a big competition, you guys want to come out with your own mobile handset into the market, okay, which has great features what the iPhone have and the Nokia and the Samsung. But how are you going to launch your mobile phone in the market? What is the first process that you do? Because people are not aware about your product.
Marketing.
Marketing.
Yes, that's correct. So what you do, you start marketing your product before you launch the product into the market.
Mm.
Okay, any company, okay. So before they launch, since 4 months or 3 months, simple you take about IPL, like IPL match, right? So IPL will not get started, but still they start promoting about IPL. They do a lot of marketing on IPL. Even if you see the World Cup, also they're doing marketing on World Cup. It is not yet started, but still, because people should know what is that. People should aware about your product. What is the product that is coming into the market? So how are you making the people aware about the product? Is you are doing marketing. So what kind of marketing that you are doing? Tell me. What kind of marketing that we can do it?
About the mobile that we want to launch.
Ah, yes, yes.
Hello.
What are the various marketing activities that we do to launch your product? I mean, to people should know about your product.